Hey everybody, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to show off all the stickers, all the stickers that I'm releasing for March. So let's get started. First, this is the freebie that is going to be featured or included with all orders. In March, you've got the Spring Bliss collection that's in here. You've got the mini deco stickers, the ink swatches, circles, and a script, as well as 2 icons. And this is printed on premium white matte. And if you want to know for size, it's 3.5 by 2.25 inches. So this freebie is included with all orders. Next, we have these spring blooms stickers. Every month I'm trying to do a different type of bloom with different arrangements, different colors, and it's just so fun doing these roses with different colors of fountain pen ink. So yes, these are all hand painted by me. So along with the deco sheet, you can actually purchase this collection as a full collection with all 4 sheets, or you can purchase them a la carte, and you can purchase them on clear matte or premium white matte. So there's the deco sheet, the matching circles, and I love the effect that the fountain pen ink has on the watercolor paper. You can really see the shading. Then you have the dots and swatches. And then lastly, the ink splatters. What I'm really trying to focus on is making sure that I can mix all of these colors without it turning brown. And that can be a little bit difficult or just take a little bit of practice, but I love the areas where some of the colors do blend, but you can still see each of the individual colors that are in here. So this is the Spring Blooms collection. Next, we have the Spring Floral Doodles. So similar to the collection that I did in February, I decided to change the colors up. So in this collection, you get this deco sheet. So these are all painted with fountain pen ink, and then the line florals are drawn by me. And then you have the line florals themselves, the circles, and just look at the way the ink pools like that. And then you have the dots and swatches. So the collection comes with these 4 stickers, or you can purchase them individually. And then if you'd like, you can purchase the ink splatters separately. So you can purchase them as a large size or the small size. And again, I really love how you can still see the individual colors, but then when they join together, it just has a whole different effect. So that is the Spring Floral Doodles collection. Next, we have the Spring ink splatters, either in vibrant or muted. And I am really loving creating these ink splatters, especially with multiple fountain pen ink colors, because I'll show you here with this one. It can be so easy to just mix them and then you get just brown, but it's so nice to be able to see the different colors of the ink. So there's 3 ink colors that I've mixed in here, and the fact that you can still see the 3 ink colors is fantastic. So you can purchase this as either a large sheet or a small sheet, and this comes in the vibrant or the muted. And again, you can purchase these either on clear matte, which I really love the look of the clear matte in your planner. It looks like you've painted the stickers onto your planner, but then the white matte is also really, really lovely. So those are the Spring ink splatters. And last but not least, we have the Spring Bliss stickers. You can tell I went on a whole spring theme here for March because we had quite the very cold winter. I'm wanting spring to come like now. So I really focused on all of the spring stickers. So Spring Bliss, you've got a birdhouse and the hat and all just these things that remind me of spring. And then you have the matching Spring Bliss circles. I really like this kind of beigey brown here. And then the matching dots and swatches. And now the ink splatters. I think these might be my favorite out of all the ones that I've done this month, but all are really, really cool. So these are the Spring Bliss stickers, available as a collection of 4 sheets, or you can purchase them individually. So there are all of the new collections coming out for the month of March, and these will be released on Friday, March 14th at 9 a.m. Mountain Time. And you can use the code SPRING IS HERE 15 to get 15% off these collections until Monday. What is that? March 17th. I always have to calculate this in my head. March 17th at 11:59 p.m. Mountain Time. If you have any questions, please let me know down below, or let me know which of these collections you like and which one is your favorite. For me, it was actually really hard to choose because I love all of these ink splatters, but I also just love the combinations of the colors. So who knows? Which do you think I'm going to use this week? All right, that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.